Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Soel here, and today I want to talk about one of the most common questions in crypto community. Does technical analysis work in cryptocurrency market? If you're interested to know the answer, stay tuned and let's get started. First, let's see what technical analysis is and what are the key assumptions and the basics of technical analysis which help us to get to the correct answer for our question. Technical analysis is the study of past market actions, or in other words, past prices and volumes, to predict the price movements, to forecast what the market might do in the future. To put it more simply, technical analysis is a tool, is a method, is a trading discipline that is used based on market data, which is generally price and volume. It's used to evaluate investments or finding trading opportunities in financial markets. It should be emphasized that technical analysis is like weather forecasting. It doesn't give you an absolute and 100% true prediction about the future. Instead, it helps you forecast what is likely to happen to prices over time. In technical analysis, we use price charts to forecast the direction of the price. Price charts show prices over time. For example, this is a price chart of Bitcoin, and it's a line chart, and it shows the price movements over a time period. The x-axis is time and the y-axis is price, and in the middle you see the movements of the price over time. Or this is candlestick chart of Bitcoin, which is one of the most popular and common charts in financial markets, and it also similar to line chart shows the movements of the price over a time period. If you're not familiar with candlestick chart and interested how to read and analyze them, I have a video on this and I recommend you to watch it later so you better understand how to analyze the market by the help of charts. Alright, now let's move on to the key assumptions and the basics of technical analysis. We have three important principles that are the core of technical analysis. Everything is based and built on these principles. Price discounts everything, price movements are not totally random, and what is more important than why? Let me explain each of them briefly so you better understand what they mean. The first one, price discounts everything. Technical analysts believe that the current price is the fair value because all the information is already reflected in the price, so it should be the basis for their analysis. That is absolutely correct, and no one can deny the price because the price reflects the sum knowledge of all participants in the market, like traders, investors, portfolio managers, fund managers, technical analysts, fundamental analysts, and many others. It's not wise to disagree with the price that is set by all people who consider every aspect of the financial markets. With the price at hand, technical analysts try to forecast the future by analyzing the price movements. The second one says price movements are not totally random. Anyone agrees that prices sometimes trend. If you look at the charts of any financial asset, you can clearly see the trends, up or down. For example, here on this chart, you can see that first the Bitcoin was in an uptrend, which means that the overall direction of the market is up, and then it turned down and went to a downtrend, meaning the overall direction of the market is down. The whole point about this that the price movements are not totally random and they trend is that a chartist believes that it's possible to identify a trend and make money as the trend continues. For example, on this chart, consider we find out that the price is in an uptrend, and by technical analysis concepts and tools, we get a buy signal here and a sell signal here, or at this point, we may discover signs that the uptrend is ending and we may have a reversal, so we can sell our Bitcoin if we have any, or we can enter a short position to make profit. So yes, price movements are not totally random and trends do exist, and we can make money with these non-random price movements. And the third one, what is more important than why? There is a saying that a technical analyst knows the price of everything but the value of nothing. A technical analyst is only concerned with two questions. What is the current price? What is the history of price movement? Let me ask you a question. What is price? Price is the end result of battle between forces of supply and demand. To put it more simply, price is the result of battle between buyers and sellers. The goal of every analysis is to predict the direction of the future prices. and by focusing on the prices, technical analysis represents a direct approach. What I'm trying to say is a technical analyst believes it's best to focus on what the price is and never mind why. Why did the price go up? Simply more buyers than sellers. And also technical analysts believe that history tends to repeat itself. It is attributed to market psychology, which is essentially based on emotions like fear or excitement. In other words, technical analysts use charts to analyze these emotions to understand trends. Alright, now let's get to the main question. Does technical analysis work in crypto market? As it must be clear to you now, a great point about technical analysis is that it only focuses on the price and studying supply and demand. The analysis is completely based on price charts and volumes, so it can be applied to any type of financial asset with historical trading data, stocks, indices, commodities, futures, forex, cryptocurrency, and any tradable asset where the price is influenced by the forces of supply and demand can be analyzed by technical analysis. If the price moves with forces of supply and demand, we can forecast the future price direction with the help of technical analysis. A great advantage of technical analysis is its versatility. Charts are charts. It doesn't matter if you're looking at stocks, Forex, or Bitcoin. It doesn't matter if the time frame is 5 minutes, 1 hour, daily, or monthly. The technical principles of trend, support and resistance, range, patterns, and many other aspects of technical analysis stay the same. You may think it's easy and simple to apply, but no mistake, it's far from easy and it demands serious study, dedication, and experience. It's important to realize that technical analysis is more like art than science. It's more like art because it's subject to interpretation. The way I look at charts and interpret that is different from the way you interpret. But the good point about technical analysis is that it's flexible in its approach, and as a trader, you must use it in the way that matches your trading style and system. Mastering technical analysis takes so much time and it demands discipline, serious study, and experience, but the result can be hugely rewarding. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.